Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be diving into a really awesome nail set. We're going to be creating a Labubu style nail look today, which I'm so excited about. And if you don't know what a Labubu is, I'm going to show you here in just a moment. So for today's look, what I did is I just went through all my Sweetie Nail Supply products and picked a whole bunch, and then we're just going to create a set based on some of the colors of the Labubu. So we might not use all these products, but at least I have them ready at my fingertips when we are diving into that Labubu nail look. Now, before we get into the nail design, I figured, why don't we open and unbox a Labubu so you can see what all the hype is. All right, so to be honest with you, 2 months ago, I had no idea what a Labubu was until I was scrolling on social media. I saw them here and there, and then all of a sudden, they were just completely overtaking my algorithm. So I got on the PopMart app. It's like a whole like crazy system to try and get one of these, but I was finally able to get a handful of them, and I absolutely love the whole unboxing thing. I'm really hoping that I do not get a duplicate. But let's just keep our fingers crossed here. So opening this box is a very satisfying experience on its own. Sometimes when you squeeze the sides there, it just like pops open. And then when you open inside, you want to be really careful because there is a card in there that tells you right away which Labubu you're getting. So you want to make sure you don't expose that card. And then the Labubu is in this really awesome bag. Now this bag is definitely giving me all that nail inspo, and I really like how all the Labubus are on this bag. Now that brown one is a secret one, so maybe we'll get a secret, you never know, but I just hope I don't get a duplicate. I don't really care which one I get. Okay, so we have a yellow one, and how cute is this? I do not have this one yet. This one is CC, and you can already see my little guy is super excited and already reaching for it, but CC is so cute. So we're gonna go ahead and create a nail look based on our Labubus today, but it's absolutely adorable. And we're just gonna go ahead and just let him take that Labubu. And then here's what that card looks like inside. It's just like a little laminated kind of plastic trading card. It's super cute. But overall, I really do love the whole Labubu thing right now. And this is my Labubu collection. So why don't we go ahead and get into our Labubu nails? We're gonna go ahead and use some really easy nail art today. We're going to switch up the length today. We're going to go in with a long coffin. These are from Bevlah. They are the new honey tips. They're ultra thin. They have a matte finish. They're super comfortable and still really durable. There's 3 different shapes. There's an almond, and then I believe there is a stiletto as well, but I do really like these, and the price point was just right. Sometimes I don't gravitate towards the tips that are on this like packaging thing because they come off really weird. But these tips come off really clean off that little plastic packaging, so I did not run into any issues when it came to pulling those nails off. All right, so now we're going to get into the gels and creating our foundation for our Labubu nails. All right, so let's get into all these fun Sweetie Nail Supply products and let's see what we create.